Need a clean methodology section in Word? I'll show the structure, the headings, and the formatting that keeps it readable. By the end, you'll have a method section that separates participants, materials, procedure, and analysis clearly. Start with 3 or 4 subheadings. Go to Home, open Styles, and apply Heading 2 to each subsection so the structure stays consistent. Use Home, Styles, then Heading 2 for each method subsection. Then write each section in past tense. Under each heading, write what you did, who you studied, what you used, and how you analysed it. Finally, review spacing and citations. Check your citations and spacing in references, then make sure every subsection looks uniform before you submit. Ctrl-Alt-1 applies Heading 1. Use Heading 2 for your method subsections. Pro tip: past tense is standard, but passive voice depends on your department or journal style. Since you're already writing in Word, Gentext can handle citations and bibliography updates while you finish the methodology. If you're writing a paper, Gentext handles citations and bibliography inside